नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेवियन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वोमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss the investment opportunity. In this subject project management, our topic investment opportunities and types of investment opportunities. So let's start topic. Let's start the topic investment opportunity. There are investment opportunity all around you. But what is an investment opportunities? Simply put, it's any vehicles and you can use to make money with your money. Now, you're probably familiar with the simplest and investment opportunities a saving account. You get interest for having money in the account, but it's likely not very much and just a few pennies and every month. Now, and there are absolutely bigger and better opportunities. And here are some of numerous operations out there and waiting for you to tap into. There's something for everyone, and no better your knowledge for investments. Tolerance for risk or outlook for the future. Now let's discuss the types of investment opportunities. First one is stocks. Second, ETFs. Third is bonds, fixed income and money market accounts. Now next, fourth, real estate. Next, commodities and gold. Next, mutual funds, peer to peer lending and startups. And next, art and collaboratives. First one is stocks. We explain the stocks, and stocks are one of the simplest investment opportunities and to understand. And when you buy share of a publicly untraded and company, you are buying a piece of that company's and future success or failure. You make money as the stock price and rises and lose money as if failure. Of course, stock can get and complicated fast. There are several and ways to make money, and outside of selling a stock for a higher price than you paid for it, there are also different stock and investing and strategy like growth investing and value investing and dividend investing. You will also need to consider and buying individual and share or an index funds or some combinations of both. Now there is a one of the broadest opportunities in the stock market, and there's enough diversity and between companies and this sector to build and a stable and diversified portfolio and grow your wealth. Second one is ETFs. Now, if you want to invest in stock, but you're not confident in picking individual companies, and no problem. Exchange traded and funds. ETFs means exchange traded funds are a great investment opportunity to own stocks and without having to pick them individually. They use basket approach, and your investment in an ETF actually an investment in a collections of companies and obtained with them. Now next is real estate. In the in the words of the Mark and Twain, and buy land, and they are not making it anymore. It's an quick and with a lot of truth to it. Real estate is the great investment opportunities, and because there's an fighting amount of it. Now, only that, but it is has tangible value, and there are so many ways to investment in real estate, and you can buy and retail and let someone else pay down the moral estate, and while you benefit from the equity. And real estate has circles, and just like any other market, and get in the right time, and you can ride to properties and investment to the top of the circle and sell. Next, commodities and gold. You have probably ancient cash for gold, state sign, and there's a reason these places are willing to pay you for your precious and metals, and because they have real value and like real estate, and there's a fight an amount of gold, silver, platinum, and metals in the world, and gold in the particular has value, and because it currencies and independent of the currency that may be rising or falling. You can buy and physical gold and other precious and metals in the from, and but it is much more particular to investment in opportunity backed backed and index. Now, mutual funds. A mutual funds holds the capital of money and people of invest, and the lamp and some. You might have only enough to buy a few shares of a few companies by yourself, and as part of a mutual fund, and you are vested in a huge portfolio, and that's diversified and well managed. Plus, if every members of the fund and contributes and regularly and earning grow, it's a great and way your investment and earnings through an economics of scale. Peer to peer and leading. Peer P2P means peer to peer lending is a great alternative to loans from traditional banking institutions, and borrowers can raise and capital for individuals and leaders is smaller amounts. Now, if you are the leaders, you are able to the change invest on the amount you're loading as little as 2% or as much 8% on average. You will get and for initial investment back over the duration of the repayment period, and along with the invest interest. Factor in fees for late, missed and payments, and your investment could have sustainable and results. Now, next it's startups. Startups investments are a great way to make money. Way to make money of size, and you might put a few thousand and dollars into friends and local brick and mortar business to buy a stock in future sales, or you might and pool your funds with an investment and group to buy 20% of a hot touch and startup. Now, you are buying access to future profit as result, and startups investment are a long pay. Now, next one and last is the art on art. Art are amazing an investment opportunity for someone and who understand their worth, but you need to know and how to fiscally care for care for these alternatives and investment items, and where to find and legitimate and buyers and sellers. Now, one of a kind and paintings and photographs and other works and often sell for as much as someone else is willing to pay for them, and for those and who values art, some can be quite a lot. The sum goes for memories and autographed and playbill a minute. Baseball and card are limited and editions and collectors items, and they all have to the right person, and finding that person will often net you far and more than you originally paid. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss the problem solving. Thank you.